Hi there, it's Steve from Miracle Truck and Car Company. And look what we got on sale today. 2013 Dodge Challenger SRT8 in jazz blue with the black paper 20-inch wheels. This is a cool car. It's really exciting to see the return of the GT muscle car. And this Challenger ticks all the right boxes. Check out that dual exhaust and the medium gray stripe going right through the car. That's really something. This is a local car with 69,000 kilometers, and the best part, it's a 6-speed standard transmission. And it looks great coming or going. When this Challenger was ordered brand new, it was ordered with the premium sound group, which gives you a 900-watt amplifier and 18 speakers, which includes the premium audio system. And it's got a factory sunroof. It was raining today, so it's a little wet. This car comes standard with power windows, power locks, of course, AC, tilt steering, and cruise control. But it's a nice interior. Now that's a nice steering wheel. 465 brake horsepower. Look at the size of that trunk. This car ticks all the boxes. 69,078 local kilometers. The vehicle's equipped with navigation, heated seats, automatic climate control, and of course that sport button, and a heated steering wheel. It doesn't matter if it's windy, rainy, snowing, cold, you can enjoy the comfort of our indoor showroom. At Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low-rate financing, extended terms, plus we also specialize in helping people with bruised credit. That means you're driving a newer vehicle at a lower rate, rebuilding your credit. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video.